guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be vlogging.
And it goes a little something like
आज का मौसम हो रहा है इतना अच्छा, like it's very sunny and it is very pleasant as well. So I thought I should head out and go somewhere. So I'm going to meet my friend. So I'm going to her place. बहुत ज़्यादा हवा की आवाज़ आ रही होगी, but I'm so sorry I was not able to carry my mic today. I've come out of the house after so long. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm regretting कि मुझे माइक लेके आना चाहिए था. आई डोंट नो वॉइस ठीक से आएगी कि नहीं. कम आउट आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग, लाइक लिटरली सो लॉन्ग. राइट नाउ आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई कैब टू कम. यूजुअली यहाँ पे मतलब बारिश होती रहती है, बट टुडे इट्स वेरी सनी. बट आई एम होपिंग कि थोड़ी सी बारिश हो जाए बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है. इट माइट जस्ट रेन बिकॉज इट स्टार्टेड टू गेट विंडी and I'm happy. It was just like 2 minutes ago that it was extremely sunny and now it is getting very windy. And it has got again very sunny. Like 2 minutes ago it was dark and the clouds were coming. Now you can't see the cloud only. I don't know where the cloud went. दिख रहा है वो थोड़ा सा greyish cloud. It's going away. What is with the weather? Already and इतनी ट्रैफिक हो रखी है. I was supposed to reach at 4 but I'm late now. So yeah. So we were stuck in a signal and बहुत टाइम से हम लोग वही सिग्नल पे अटके हुए थे. कम ऑन कैब वाले भैया, कम ऑन निकाल दो, अब निकाल दो. और ये वापस सिग्नल बंद होते हुए. This was the third or fourth time जब ये सिग्नल ओपन हो रहा था and this time we have to get through this. come on कैब वाले भैया, चलो निकाल दो. और अगर आप फ्लाइंग बीस्ट के फ़ैन हो तो आप सब मेरे साथ कहोगे ग्रेट सक्सेस. इतनी कठिनाइयों के बाद फाइनली अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचने के बाद. हेलो, कहाँ थे आप?
A few moments later.
So we have reached here. This is the Adai Hills. I'm with Priya. You guys must remember her. Hello. So we are going to trek from here till a waterfall. So this is and this is the Adai Hills. People who stay in Panvel know about this. So we have to go till there. What a view. जा पाएंगे क्या वहाँ तक? हम लोग पहुँच जाएंगे. Such a beautiful view. So we came from there and we could have gone there. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी public है. There is the waterfall. But we decided here and maybe like that because बहुत ज़्यादा public है उधर. I am tired yeah guys. It's very unusual of me to go trekking and stuff, so I get really tired real quick. मैं हाफ रही हूँ, मैं थक गई हूँ. So we have reached the top of the hill and there's the waterfall. So basically यहाँ से ऐसे जाना होगा, but हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा halt ले रहे हैं. Like dead tired. Just look at my face, I'm all pink and shit. So there's a little pond there which looks like a heart shape, and this weather is so perfect. Like it is very sunny also, and at the same time it is very windy and rainy. We are going a little ahead, not towards the waterfall क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा steep हो जाएगा रास्ता, इसलिए तो वहाँ तक जा रहे हैं. बारिश और ठंडी ठंडी हवा। मेरा कितना अच्छा लगा, इतनी अच्छी हवा चल रही है यहाँ पे and it was so peaceful, like the view is so pretty, you guys have seen it, just feel it guys. बिल्कुल भी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है, I'm not able to vlog. I don't know if you guys are able to hear me but I am having a blast. It's so good. मैं ये बोल रही थी कि this is the कश्मीर ऑफ पनवेल, ऐसा कुछ टाइटल। बस पीछे बकरियों की कमी है और एक छोटा सा घर, बजरंगी भाईजान जैसा छोटा सा घर।
सौरभ को बजरंगी भाईजान
और तू मुन्नी।
ये भी यही बोला।
इतनी कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए मुझे बस लाइफ में कि यहाँ से गिर भी जाऊँ तो ना रिग्रेट ना हो। Finally we are down and I'm all sweaty, so now we are going to head back home. It's 7 o'clock I guess. I'm tired but it was worth getting tired, so let's go. So we went to that point, went up from this path and came down. Tired? Are you tired?
Yes, I am very tired.
मेरा पूरा जो body है ना, it's heating up.
Yeah, even mine were literally sweating.
So at this time I was in a cab going back home and I was really extremely happy that I did not faint during the trek. Instead fainted in the cab.
So I reached home extremely tired और मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है, so मैं फटाफट फ्रेश होंगी, कुछ खाऊंगी and then मैं सो जाऊंगी. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also comment down. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.